Hello guys, welcome back to another FreeCAD 3D modeling tutorial video. Okay, let's get started. I pick parametric part and I am on part design workbench. Click on create sketch and pick XZ plane. Let's draw a rectangle starting at the origin. Type 12 and enter. Type 50 and enter. I am going to draw a line at the middle of top and bottom line. Make sure the cursor looks like this. Right-click to exit the command. Windows select these lines and convert them to construction lines by clicking on this tool. Now pick Create B-Spline tool. Zoom in here and start sketching from this line. Draw approximately like this. Click on the line. Click on midpoint of this line. And click on this line and click here, right click to exit. Now I will add the lines to close the profile so it will revolve along the axis. Now I will add the dimensions to make it fully constrained. Click on the dimension command and start adding these dimensions. The sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. Click on revolve command. Leave all the parameters as is and click OK. Click on this face and pick this command. Click OK. Switch to Model tab. Expand this arrow and select this sketch. Press Ctrl+C to copy, remove the plane. We only need the sketch. Click OK and Ctrl+V to paste. Drag this new sketch onto the body. Turn off the visibility of the solid and turn on the visibility of this sketch. Right-click and edit sketch. I will convert these lines to construction lines. Click on the line and this tool. Leave the spline and close the window. Click on Create Sketch and pick XY plane. Rotate the view so you can see the bottom point of the sketch. Click this tool to copy this point from this existing sketch. Now pick triangle and draw a triangle on this point. Type 4 and enter, and make sure to snap onto x-axis. Actually, I'm going to change the triangle dimension to 2 mm. Close the window. Select the profile sketch and Control select the path sketch. Click on this command and click OK. Select this and click on Polar Pattern command. Type 12 for number of occurrences. And leave other parameters as is. Click OK. The model is now completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It will help grow my channel. See you soon with another tutorial video.